everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I am Sonali and I create content related to beauty, fashion and makeup. So it's been a while, so I have decided to make a sit down video like this, जिसमें मैं कुछ बेसिक और कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग सवालों के जवाब दूंगी जिससे आप मुझे अच्छी तरीके से जान पाओ. So without wasting your time, let's get started. I am starting from the most basic one and the first question goes like, where I am from. I am from Bihar, Munger, and currently I am living in Delhi NCR. And the second question is, what is my education? Have you seen that meme of what is education is graduation? Okay, let's. So the second question goes like, what is my education qualification? So I am graduated in English honors and I have also done my masters in English only. And the next question is, what was my subject in the 12th grade? I studied PCM in 12th. And I did that from my hometown only. The next question is, what is my favorite color? My favorite color is blue. ये तो मैंने कितनी बार ही अपने शॉर्ट्स में बताया होगा. So I think all of you know about this. Moving to the next question, what are my hobbies? My hobbies are creating content and makeup and reading books. So these are all of my hobbies. The next question is, who is my favorite actress? I really wanted to answer this because I am a fangirl of Katrina Kaif since childhood. I just love her. And the next one is, who is my safe space? So she is my sister who is 9 years younger than me and her name is Sanjana Raj. So now I am moving towards some deeper questions. What is the recent accomplishment, big or small, that made you feel genuinely proud of you? I guess I am really proud of my channel and myself for speaking up and for stepping out of my comfort zone. And every like or subscriber I get really happy, and I'm just so proud of myself for starting this channel and trusting on myself. As a child, I was so nervous and underconfident, but I am really liking this journey of me stepping up, and I'm just grateful for all of you. The next question is very interesting. What is one boundary you need to set right now to protect your peace? So I am really kind of emotional, जो कि अपने इमोशन से ही सारा डिसीजन लेती है, बट इसके वजह से मुझे काफ़ी दिक्कत हुई है लाइफ में. तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू वर्क ऑन दैट टू सेट माई बाउंड्रीज विथ पीपल. करेंटली आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिक्स दैट एंड ट्राइंग टू बी more practical and more strong. And the next question is, what kind of support makes you feel most loved and understood by the people close to you? I feel loved when someone listens to me with utmost attention and be present with me, just 100% present with me. Not like मैं कुछ बोल रही हूँ और सामने वाला ऐसे फ़ोन चला रहा है. I don't like that because मैं वैसी नहीं हूँ, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि सामने वाला भी वैसे ही एनर्जी से रिस्पॉन्ड करे जैसे मैं करती हूँ. So the next question is little difficult for me. What is something you used to care deeply about but that you have completely outgrowth now? So this is my friends group, the one who has been my friends from childhood, from school days. I have been invested in people so much. I gave so much of energy and efforts for them, but I have not seen any one of them taking a step close to me or trying to understand me or doing anything like. I really cared about them for so long that I should have not, but दिमाग तो लेट से ही आता है, तो कोई बात नहीं. Like putting them on the pedestal and feeling myself and shrinking myself just to keep them in my life. I was little underconfident, or you can say I feel less loved, so I just kept giving them chances and chances and chances, but none of them deserve them. I'm not telling anyone is bad, but our frequency did not match. I gave energy and frequency like super high, and I was nerdy enough to not understand that energy is the most important thing you invest in people, and time is the most important thing you invest in people. So if you don't get the same amount of time or energy or efforts from the other side, you should just quit. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it and get to know me a little more, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love each one of you. Bye.